Hi class, as you know, we've been studying the organization of living things in taxonomy. So, as an example, we're going to go over the subgroups of the lemur. To remind you what we've already learned this week, the organization of living things is like a pyramid or a tree with 7 major levels or subgroups called kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Now to focus on the lemur and the groups it is in. The kingdom is the animal, and it shares characteristics with all other members in this group that need to feed on organic matter, unlike plants. The phylum is the chordate or vertebrae, and it shares characteristics with all other members of this group of animals that also have a backbone with a hollow nerve cord. The class of this animal is the mammal, and it has similar characteristics with members of the group of vertebrates, and it has the ability to feed their offspring on milk and have a body covering which includes fur. The order of this animal is the primate. It shares characteristics with all other members of the group of mammals, and it has a thumb that can be opposed to the other digits, binocular vision, and various more broadly defined characteristics like high intelligence, a relatively long maturation period for the young, dental similarities, tendencies for complex social organization, and generally bearing 1 or 2 young. The family is the lemuridae. It shares characteristics with other members of the group of primates. It has a slightly longer nose, a smaller brain, long, slender limbs, a tail, more specific dental features, including the grooming comb formed by the lower infant and the canine teeth. The genus is the lemur, and it shares the characteristics with the members of the group of lemurs, and it also has a scent marking method, vocalization, and aspects of social structure and overall body shape. And finally, the species, which is the most specific group, is the ring-tailed lemur. A species is the primary unit of biological classification or taxonomy. Species members share a basic genetic similarity and can be interbred and produce viable or fertile offspring. This is an example of how the lemur goes through the classification of taxonomy or the categories of the living things.